Hey everyone, Jessica here. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create your very own TikTok account in just about 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. This takes you to the sign up page. Here you'll see different sign up options. You can use your email, phone number, or even sign in with Facebook, Google, or Apple. Pick whichever works best for you. Next, create a secure password that you'll remember. This helps keep your account safe. Now, enter your birth date to confirm you meet TikTok's age requirements. You'll also be asked to enter a nickname. This will be your display name, and it's what people will see on your videos. And just like that, your account is created. From here, you can customize your username, upload a profile picture, and make the account feel like your own. And that's it. You're now ready to start exploring TikTok and sharing your own videos. If you'd like to learn more, check out my beginner's guide to TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.